What does it really take to retire comfortably in the US? You might have heard that you need $1 million or more, but is that really true? According to a recent survey, many Americans believe they'll need around $1.46 million to feel secure in retirement. If you're over 50 and not even close to that number, it's easy to feel stressed. But don't worry, there are still steps you could take to get closer to that goal. In this video, we're going to explore how you can build $1 million retirement plan, even if you're starting a little late. Start where you are. Let's start by taking a good look at where you are right now. Before you start throwing money into different accounts, it's crucial to assess your current financial situation. This step helps you see what's working in your favor and what might be holding you back. Understanding your financial position is the foundation for building a solid retirement plan. First, calculate your net worth. It's simple. List out all your assets, like savings accounts, certificates of deposit, and retirement accounts. Then, subtract your liabilities, such as credit card debt and personal loans. The difference gives you your net worth, which is a clear snapshot of where your finances stand today. Next, take a close look at your income and expenses. Add up all the money you earn from various sources and track your monthly spending. This will help you see where your money is going, and if there are areas where you can cut back. If you find that you need more income, consider using your skills to pick up a profitable side gig. Lastly, focus on beefing up your emergency fund. In his annual letter to investors, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink pointed out that people with emergency savings are 70% more likely to save for retirement. So do whatever you can to build that cushion. It's a key step towards securing your financial future. Make the most of your workplace benefits. Once you've got a clear picture of your finances, it's time to make the most of your workplace benefits. Many employers offer retirement plans, like a 401k, which can be a powerful tool for building your retirement savings, especially with the tax advantages they provide. In 2024, if you're 50 or older, you can contribute up to $30,500 to your 401k each year, thanks to the $7,500 catch-up contribution. With a historical return of around 10%, contributing that much annually could help you reach $1 million in about 15 years. But even if you're planning to retire sooner, there's still time to make the most of these benefits. Take full advantage of increasing contribution limits and explore other options, like employee stock purchase plans, ESPPs, restricted stock units, RSUs, and any 401k. Match your employer offers. These can all add up and significantly boost your savings. If you're self-employed, don't worry. You have options too. Consider setting up a simplified employee pension (SEP) IRA, which offers similar benefits to help you grow your retirement fund. Making the most of these workplace perks can get you much closer to your retirement goals. Max out individual retirement accounts. If you're serious about boosting your retirement savings, maxing out your individual retirement accounts, IRAs, is a smart move. An IRA gives you more control and flexibility compared to your employer-sponsored plans like a 401k. Since you manage the account yourself, you can choose from a wider range of investment options, such as growth stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and high-yield dividend stocks. For 2024, if you're 50 or older, you can contribute up to $8,000 to an IRA, whether it's a Roth or traditional IRA. This is on top of what you're already contributing to your 401k. Imagine aiming to accumulate $500,000 in your 401k and at least $250,000 in your IRA. By investing $8,000 this year, continuing to contribute the maximum as limits increase, and earning an average return of 10%, you could potentially hit that $250,000 target in less than 15 years. If you're looking for even more investment choices, you might want to explore self-directed IRAs, which allow you to diversify even further. By maxing out your IRAs, you're taking a big step towards securing a comfortable retirement. Invest in taxable brokerage accounts. If you've already maxed out your retirement accounts and want to keep growing your savings, it's time to consider investing in taxable brokerage accounts. These accounts offer a great way to invest without the limitations that come with retirement accounts. There are no contribution limits, so you can put in as much money as you want, giving you the freedom to grow your wealth even more. Taxable brokerage accounts also offer more flexibility than retirement accounts. You can access your money whenever you need it without facing any penalties, which is perfect if you want to stay nimble with your investments. Another perk is the ability to use tax loss harvesting. where you can offset gains with losses to help lower your tax bill. Whether you're looking for more investment options or just want to keep building your nest egg, taxable brokerage accounts provide a powerful tool to keep your financial goals on track. You may be closer than you think. You might be closer to your retirement goals than you think. The key is to make the most of what you have right now. The more you contribute to your retirement accounts today, the easier it will be to reach that $1 million mark, even if you're over 50. By consistently adding money to your employer-sponsored plans, IRAs, and taxable brokerage accounts, you're laying a solid foundation for a comfortable retirement. Of course, it's important to remember that stock market returns can be unpredictable, so there's no exact timeline for hitting your goal. But by starting with a clear picture of your current finances and setting a game plan for this year, you can put yourself on the right path. The key is consistency and making informed choices with your investments. Every dollar you save and invest now brings you one step closer to that millionaire retirement you've been dreaming of. What stocks should you add to your retirement portfolio? Wondering what stocks you should add to your retirement portfolio? Choosing the right ones can make a huge difference in your financial future. The Motley Fool's Stock Advisor team recently highlighted 10 stocks they believe are some of the best to buy right now, with the potential to deliver big returns over the years. These stocks could be the key to boosting your retirement savings and setting yourself up for a more prosperous future. To give you an idea of what's possible, let's look at NVIDIA. When the Motley Fool recommended NVIDIA on April 15, 2005, a $1,000 investment would have grown to a staggering $741,362. That's the power of picking the right stocks at the right time. The Motley Fool's Stock Advisor service offers a clear, easy-to-follow plan for building a successful portfolio. With regular updates from their analysts and 2 new stock picks every month, it's designed to help you make informed investment decisions. Since 2002, their Stock Advisor service has more than quadrupled the return of the S&P 500, making it a valuable resource for anyone serious about growing their retirement savings. As you start building your $1 million retirement plan, remember that the right strategies can make all the difference. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Money Blueprint for more insights on securing your financial future. Hit the like button and share this video to help others on their path to a comfortable retirement.